Good morning, everyone. This is Gary Kay, and I'm excited to be joined with Roy Tao, the product manager at Monitors Anywhere. He's going to join me on today's video cast all about ISE products, and I saw one of the cool products at ISE that I wanted to demonstrate for you today. Roy, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing great. Listen, video walls are becoming more and more popular because the world of digital signage is exploding thanks to the cost of the signs coming down and the access to video wall technology getting less and less expensive. You do it in a very unique way because you have the ability to do it completely through USB, and it's kind of an interesting technology. So explain how Monitors Anywhere does this. And by the way, they're at monitorsanywhere.com. I want everyone to stay tuned and watch this because we're actually going to demonstrate this live. So Roy, tell me how this works.
Yeah, thank you very much. So the thing that we showed on ISE 2019 is the two options to actually connect video walls and digital signage screens. One was over USB connection. So what we do, as you mentioned, we are actually using very simple off-the-shelf devices that are like $50 on Amazon, actually. And we developed a unique driver that can push and you can create layouts over video walls, which are quite amazing and very easy to use and very easy to install. So we actually lower the prices on unique creative video walls in any layout, any angle, and we also allow it with a simple connectivity option over USB or over the LAN. So that's what we presented on the ISE. And another new capability that we showed is the option to control and manage everything over a web platform. So that's the new capabilities that we had on ISE.
So basically, you can connect these USB devices to a computer. It's sort of like screen scraping, and then now you can put all these separate sources together in a monitor wall configuration and control it on your software, which is what's really cool about this. So if you could go ahead and demonstrate this, because behind you, you have a monitor wall, and I want them to see how simple this is to take multiple sources into your software in that web-based platform and create a video wall that you can do pretty much anything with.
Sure. So what we show here, let me just show you my screen here. So those devices are actually extended monitors on the video wall, on the PC, sorry. And if I'll go to...
so you use an extended desktop on the PC, exactly.
Yeah, so our driver creates one big extended desktop here with the resolution of 4K. And we did it with a simple software that we've developed. I just had to drag and drop the screens in a certain layout, and I can also create any angle to this layout. I can just go and tilt this layout in any angle, and once I apply, Windows will also see this. Let's see how it applies this content. So you can see now.
So you can even do any angle. You can do any angle on the fly in real time without having to worry about it, and it just repositions and basically it reclocks the pixels, and it does, and it basically lines up pixel to pixel based on the resolution of the displays that you're connected to.
Exactly, it's a pixel mapping in a very simple way. We can actually place those screens anywhere on a canvas. So it's in Windows. Let me show you again. Windows will just create this layout as one big screen. So you can see now the resolution is much higher. So it simply creates any layout that I want. I can drag the screens in any position and rotate them in any position, and then Windows will just grab this new configuration and show the video according to that layout. So
it's really simple to use, and so you're using the extended desktop application. Is this, by the way, is this Windows only, or does it also work on a Mac, or do you have a Mac version yet?
No, we just Windows, and most of our customers are enterprises and corporate, and they like the way that it works so simple and allow them to place all their proprietary apps also on different screens. And now with the new capability of controlling everything from a web platform, also makes it easier for them to to adopt this technology with us, because now they can actually control everything from a web-based platform. I can also show that if you may.
Yep.
So this is our new MAUI. This is Monitors Anywhere web-based interface. And as you can see, I'm now controlling the video wall that I've just set up here. And this is on a browser platform. And I can throw any application on that, if it's a local application or if it's something that it's on my PC, I can just drag and drop and show it on the video wall screens.
So that's web-based as well. And then you also have, I mean, if you want to use a video wall in a configuration where you're showing multiple pieces of content on each separate monitor, you have the ability, since you've got it all in the network or on your system anyway, to display it in any format that you want. Can you demonstrate that for us as well?
Yeah, sure. So in the same way, I can just delete the layout of the video wall, and now Windows will show me that I have 4 extended monitors, and in the same way, I can throw any type of content on the screens very easily. So I can do that as well. So
in that case, do you still use USB, or do you have separate HDMI outputs, or how does that work for the connectivity to the monitors?
So we have different devices that we actually call zero clients. Those are devices that connects over the LAN, and in the same way that USB connects with USB. This one just has a LAN input and HDMI output to the screen, of course. And then the computer just finds those devices, assigns them, and then I am able to control them in the same way that I control the
so each PC is connected to the LAN that has the content,
Yeah.
or whatever the device is that has the content is connected to the LAN, and then you're pulling it off as just a network stream with that little media player.
Exactly.
Okay. And so all this is at Monitors Anywhere, at monitoranywhere.com. What is that product line called again?
So the connectivity part is Monitors Anywhere Connect with the LAN-based solution. USB wall is with the USB connectivity solution. And MAUI is the web interface to control all the devices over your LAN or even through WAN. So you can have different clients in different locations, in different places in the world, and you can control all of them from one web-based interface.
And that's at monitoranywhere.com. Again, the products are USB wall, network video wall, and Monitors Anywhere Connect. Roy Tal, thank you very much for joining me and demonstrating this. I think this will look great when we post it on social, because I think people have a chance to get an actual real-time demo. And by the way, that was a real-time demo. We didn't actually stop and start or pause, and so I appreciate you doing that. And we're doing this via Zoom all the way across the world. You're halfway across the world almost from me. I'm in the U.S., you're in Israel, and we made this work. So thank you for thank you for the demonstration, and I appreciate you joining me this morning.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and thanks for watching. And of course, you can see all of this was one of the products, one of the many products we saw at ISE that were awesome, that I was totally excited about. And you can see all the products we shot, videos, over 1,500 videos, believe it or not, Roy, at ISE at raypubs.com/ISE2019. Thanks for joining me, everyone, and have a great day.